20 valve or 16 valve? Which one is better? 20 valve or 16 valve? Let's get into the video. I'm not really going to do a comparison, but guys, which one is better for you guys? 20 valve or 16 valve? What up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. On today's video, some Toyota madness. Let's get straight into it guys, but don't forget to comment which one do you prefer, 20 valve or 16 valve Toyota. Which one do you prefer? 20 valve Toyota Tazz or Conquest, but I think it's the Toyota Tazz 20 valve swapped rally car guys. Check out the intake. This intake is lovely. Carbon fiber, man. Lovely intake. Beautiful 20 valve. This thing screams. I'm sure you guys will hear it in the video. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. I like the steez, but it's a rally car. That's how they look. Check out the coils. I wonder what brand coils they are. I don't think these ones are for stancing cars. These things that they have like a high ride height. I wonder what coil brand is it. Oh, this car's nice. Check out the office. Strictly business, a bunch of switches. I don't know what those switches do. I don't know what any of these things do, but I do know what this does. I do know what that does. Yeah, quite interesting. This thing screams, guys. I can only like imagine how it is like to be like a rally car driver, because I feel like there's a lot of pressure, like physically, also mentally, because imagine driving for like 3-4 hours on an off-road path, trying your best to not make a mistake. You see, it's like a lot of focus. But also like circuit racing, like people that do like circuit racing, like Swartkops, Kyalami. I just wonder how they do it, because one mistake chows your time. So I'm sure it's like a lot of work to be like a rally driver, especially rally, because there's a lot of like bumps, jumps, a lot of weight on your body. Like, hey Joe, also the heat. So I'm sure it's a lot physical. I'm sure you have to be fit. But yeah, let's get to it. Please do make sure to check out BS Customs for a custom set of your own. BS Custom provide high quality 3D printed parts. You can 3D print about just anything from gear knobs to custom wheel caps. Just make sure you check them out. A link to their social will be down below in the description box.